beat the fuck out of you.
Dude, if he fucking jumped, oh my. What the fuck are you doing?
What?
What did you do? You're a monster!
Did you do it? Did you? Did you pee on my floor? Oh. No.
Which one of you did this? Right here. Who made this mess right here? You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done?
Excuse me.
Check this out. I walk in here. Oh, what's that, eh? Who did that?
How did she not get electrocuted? Did you get electrocuted? Oh my god. What did you do? Did you help yourself to mommy's eggs?
You're kidding. She ate a whole bag of brown sugar.
Who did this? Simba? Did you do it?